How to identify products to promote. Hello! In the last video, I told you about defining your audience by picking a specific niche and building your influence around it. So now, we'll look at how to identify products to promote to your list or audience. Before I go into how you can identify products, let me say that it's wrong to promote just any product you find online to your audience. The implication is that your audience will burn out and they won't respond positively to your emails anymore. What you should do instead is to get products that are important and will add value to your audience. This way, whatever you recommend to them will help them grow their business and achieve their targets. Another thing to note is that you should always position yourself as someone who is interested in their business success. Even though you make commissions from what you promote to them, it shouldn't be just about money for you. Promote products that you know will help them. So, here's a list of 3 online platforms that will help you identify products to promote: �MunchEye.com, JVNotifyPro.com, WarriorJV.com. Another way to identify products to promote is to use the top sellers section on 𝐁𝐵 or launch list section on Warrior Plus Alert Signal. So let's start by checking out the first one, �MunchEye. The link to visit �MunchEye is �MunchEye.com. Inside �MunchEye, you will see the featured post slide at the top of the page that shows products that are about to be launched. After the post slide section, you have 2 columns at the next section, one for big launches and the other all launches. In the column where you have all launches, you have the name of the affiliate network where the product will be launched, name of the product vendor, name of product, price of product, commission rate of product. Now, the JVZ sign you see by the side of the product name means that the product is being launched on 𝐗VZoo. When it's W+, it means the product is being launched on Warrior Plus affiliate network. You can come on �MunchEye and search for products to promote from their list of products. What you're to look at before you choose a product to promote is relevance of the product to your audience, price of product, and commission rate of the product. If the price and commission rate is high, and you confirm the product to give your audience value, then it's a good product for you to promote. So, this is how you identify a product to promote on �MunchEye. You can also use the JVNotify Pro. So we are now in JVNotify Pro. As you can see, it has a much different layout from �MunchEye. On the first page, you have sections that informs you about an upcoming product launch and gives a short description of the product. So that is it for JVNotify Pro. Next, we'll go over to Warrior JV. Warrior JV is another platform where you can find products to promote to your audience. Now, let's go back to �MunchEye because it's where my focus is for this topic. We are now in �MunchEye. To get more information about any product on �MunchEye, click on the product. Now, let's go back to �MunchEye because it's where my focus is for this topic. We are now in �MunchEye. To get more information about any product on �MunchEye, click on the product. On the next page, you will find the complete details of the product. You'll see the vendor name, product name, date of launch, time of launch, front-end price of the launch, commission percentage, and link to the JV page for the product. Now we'll click on the link to see the JV page for this product launch where we can further learn more about this product. So that is it for �MunchEye. There are other ways I told you we can use in identifying a product to promote, and we'll look at them now. First thing is to log into your 𝐗VZoo account. At the menu links, move to Product Library, and under it, you click on Top Sellers. Here in the Top Sellers section of 𝐗VZoo, you get to see the products that are hot in demand and selling fast, so you can easily enter into the promotion and make commissions for yourself. It has 4 sections. The first section is Top Sellers Today. In this section, you will see the names of products that are selling well for each day. The next section is Top Sellers Yesterday. This is for the hot-selling products of the previous day. The next one is Top Sellers Past 7 Days. This is for products that have been doing well in the market for the past 7 days. And finally, you have top sellers past 30 days. So, using the 𝐁𝐵 top sellers page, you can identify products that are high in demand and has high conversion rate for you to promote. Again, another way to identify product to promote on 𝐗𝐵 is to use the launch list. So, we'll go back to Product Library and click on Launch List this time. Here, you will see products. Here, you will see products and number of sales that has been made. I won't advise you to promote a product that has less than 10 sales because the product is not doing well. So with this list, you can also get a good product to promote to your audience. Now, another way to find products you can promote on 𝐗𝐵 is to go over to the menu links, click on Affiliates, and then click Find Products. Here you can find product using the keyword search bar or category and subcategory list. You have a list of all the products that are available on 𝐗𝐵 for purchase or promotion, and they are arranged in an order of best selling. So the most sold products is arranged at the top. There are two factors I want you to consider if you are promoting a product from this section: EPC, refund. Refund. The EPC is earning per click. It means the estimated average amount you will earn for each click you send to this product. When the EPC is high, it tells you that the product converts very well. For the refund, if a product has a high refund rate, it tells you that there's a problem with that product, and if you go on to promote it, your audience will likely come back to request a refund on their purchase. So what you want to do is avoid products with a high refund rate. The last strategy I'm going to show you is how you can use the Warrior Plus alert signal to identify products to promote. So you'll head over to Warrior Plus and log into your account. After logging in, you click on Marketplace. Then click on Alerts. After clicking on Alerts, at the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar showing you the most followed vendor and most followed keywords. This is the part where you can focus on most followed keywords. The keywords gives you an insight to the kind of products people are demanding. So you use this in knowing the kind of product you're to promote. So I've shown you now the different strategies you use in finding different products to promote. Let me repeat that when looking for a product, you should go for the one that will be relevant to your audience. It's important you do this. So, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.